does take several months, if not years, to master Photoshop. I've been playing in Photoshop for over 10 years and I still don't know everything. So I just wanted to share a few tips and tricks that I use that will definitely speed up the process of editing. First thing I want to stress is that the keyboard shortcuts, also known as hotkeys, are going to be a lifesaver. I truly believe that if you focus on learning these hotkeys, you will speed up your process so much. So this hotkey layout right here is by Jesus Ramirez, and I will put it down in the description below so that you can find it easily and start practicing. So you can flip through all the different tools on the left. You can see they're highlighted once you click them on the keyboard. A big one is the Command plus and Command minus for zooming in and zooming out, because if you don't know this, you may spend a lot of time going over to the tools manually. Next is the bracket key. Say you have a brush tool and you want to make it bigger and smaller, you can use the bracket left or right. Left for smaller, right for bigger. Next, I want to show you that you can move your workspace to the left side if you're left-handed, alternatively to the right side if you're right-handed, and I do recommend doing that. I started doing that about a month ago even, and I was like, whoa, everything on the right is perfect for me. All you do is drag it all the way to the right or left until there's a blue line that appears, and that will let you know that it's about to click over and attach to the sidebar. Next is if you erase your toolbar on purpose or on accident, like I've done many times, you can always bring it back by going into Windows, Workspace, and Reset Photography. Then again, I would drag my bar back over to the right because I am right-handed and I find that very useful for me. Over here you can see your adjustments, which you can also find down at the bottom bar as well. Those are the same things twice, so if you don't like that, you can kind of move it out of the way or exit it out. Here's where your layers will be. And if you want to select multiple layers and delete them, you can click on one, hold down Shift on a Mac, then click the bottom one and drag them down to the trash can. One key is the F key. It will change your screen mode. Another one is hitting your spacebar and the F key to change the background color to whatever feels best for your eyes. Next is the brush tool. Just knowing that you can change the size and shape of your brush at any time up here in this area. You can use a hard round brush or you could use a soft round brush. You can see the difference here. One's has a very hard edge, the other one has a very smooth edge. The hotkey for exporting your image is Command, Option, Shift, and W at the same time, and that will bring up your export window. In the upper right hand corner, you'll see it says PNG. You can drop that down. In that drop-down, you can find JPEG and also GIF. PNG stands for Portable Network Graphics. It's a raster graphics file format that supports lossless data compression. JPEG stands for Joint Photographic Experts Group. When you save an image as a JPEG, some data from the image will be lost and deleted forever to reduce the size of the file. This method is called lossy compression. I use mainly PNG for my photos. And under image size, you can change the size of your image. I don't recommend going higher at this point. This is probably the highest that it should be for the pixel rate that it's set at. Then hit export and there's a drop down. You can save it on your desktop or documents or anywhere else you want it on your computer. Then hit export and you're done. Thank you, and make sure to subscribe for more tips like this and long form tutorials on Lightroom and Photoshop.